Now let us see example 7.25. Now see the question. A jewel box is in the shape of a cuboid of dimensions 30 centimeter into 15 centimeter into 10 centimeter surrounded by a half part of a cylinder as shown in the figure. Find the volume of the box. So in our question they have given one jewel box. Okay, so that is in the shape of a cuboid. So you know that this part. Okay, so that is in the shape of a cuboid. After the dimensions they have given. So you know the dimension cuboid, the dimension means length, breadth, height. Okay, so where is the length? So this one, this is the length of the cuboid, this is the breadth of the cuboid, this is the height of the cuboid. Okay, so length, breadth, L into B into H. So length 30 centimeter, breadth 15 centimeter, height 10 centimeter. So length of the cuboid 30 centimeter. So this is length. Okay, so after this one, breadth of the cuboid, breadth. So this one, height of the cuboid, height is equal to 10 centimeter. So after, surrounded by a half part of a cylinder. Okay, so surrounded by a half part of a cylinder means you know that this is the cylinder part, half part, this top part, half of the cylinder only. Okay, so half part of the cylinder only they have surrounded here. Okay, so then here they have asked to find out the volume of the box. Volume of the box means volume of this combined solid only we need to find out. Already I said how to find out the volume of the combined solid, sum of the volume of the individual solids. So individual solid means here cuboid shape and the half part of the cylinder shape you have. Okay, so here volume of the cuboid first you have to find out. After volume of the half of the cylinder, volume of the half of the cylinder we have to find out. Next both one if you add it means you can get it the volume of the box. Okay, so now can you see the solution? Let L comma B and H. So after here height, so this cuboid shape, so this is the height of the cuboid. After the cylinder part also height you have. So height means you know that this one is the height of the cylinder. Here which one is the height? This one, this is the height of the cylinder it will come. Okay, so this or this one, this part, this one is the height of the cylinder. Now you know that the same thing. So this 30 centimeter means this also 30 centimeter only it will come. Okay, so this also 30 centimeter. So both ones same only it will come. So this 30 centimeter means this also 30 centimeter only it will come. So this also height of the cylinder, this one height of the cylinder. Both height we will confuse. So better we have to take this one as a height one, this one as a H2. Can you understood or not? So height of the cuboid that you can consider as a H1, height of the cylinder that you can consider as a H2. Okay, so now see L comma B and H1 be the length and length, breadth and height of the cuboid. Okay, so length, breadth and H1 is the height of the cuboid. Also let us take R and H2 be the radius and height of the cylinder. So radius means how we can find out now. See, radius of the cylinder how we can find out. So you know that this part, so this full circle, this part only here it will come. So that means radius. So this now you can see this like semicircle like that you have. Okay, so semicircle you have, semicircle like that means this is the diameter of the semicircle. After this one is from this to this one, that is the radius. So now you know that this part and this part same only it will come. So this 15 means this also 15, the full length 15 only it will come. Now we are finding the radius. Okay, so the semicircle you have, so this radius only we are going to find out. So this full length means that is the diameter. Okay, so half of the circle only, that is the semicircle. So this full length means that is the diameter. Half length means from this to this one means how much it will come? That is half of the diameter. This 15 means this also full length 15 centimeter. Half of this length means what it will come? 15 by 2. That is the radius. Can you understood or not? So this full length, that is the diameter. So this 15 means this also 15 only it will come. But here we needed the radius. Radius means half of this diameter. So this to this one, that is half of this diameter, that is 15 by 2, that is the radius. Okay, so now we have to write, let us take R and H2 be the, H2 means height of the cylinder. Okay, half part of the cylinder, the radius and the height of the cylinder. Now what are the Measurements we know, we have to write. So length we know that is 30 centimeter, you have to write. Breadth we know that is 15 centimeter. And the h1 means height of the cuboid. So h1 is equal to 10 centimeter. And the radius of the cylinder we know that is 15 by 2. Next, height of the cylinder we know that is 30 centimeter, that is height 2. Okay, so now volume of the combined solid, volume of this jewel box, how we can find out? Volume of the cuboid plus half of the volume of the cylinder. So cylinder formula only we know that. So half into the volume of the cylinder we have to apply. So now we have to write volume of the box. Separately no need to find out. So together we have to write volume of the cuboid plus half of the volume of cylinder. Okay. So I know the volume of the cuboid already we have studied. The formula is L into B into H. But here H we have taken as a H1. Okay. So plus half into volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square H. But the cylinder H we have taken as a H2. So that's why we have mentioned here H2. Then cubic units means because we are finding the volume. So volume, that units we have to write cubic units. So now we have to apply the L, that is 30, breadth that is 15, H1 that is 10 plus half into pi, that value is 22 by 7 into r square. R value know that 15 by 2. R square mean 2 times you have to write. 15 by 2 into 15 by 2 into H2. H2 mean height of the cylinder. So that is 30. The measurements correctly you have to write. So that's why we have taken height of the cuboid H1, height of the cylinder H2. Okay, so the measurement correctly you have to apply. So now this, if you multiply, you can get it 4500 plus half into. So then you can cancel it. So 2 and 22 we can cancel it. 11 2s are 22. So after we can cancel it. 2 and 30 you can cancel it, mean 15 it will come. So any other way you can cancel it, you cannot cancel. So you have to write the remaining 11 into 15 divided by 7 it will come. Now you can simplify, multiply this everything. So then you will get 37,125 divided by 7. Then divided by 7 you can get it this 5303.57. Okay, so after 400 plus this part divided by 2. Okay, so this means this into this. So this divided by 2. So this number if you divided by 2 means you can get it this one. Okay, so 2651.79. So after you have to add it, then you will get the 7151.79 centimeter cube. Okay, because we are finding the volume. So answer, volume of the box is equal to 7151.79 centimeter cube. Thank you.